welcome to Sowmi's channel. In this video, I am going to teach how to convert days into minutes. We already know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. One hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, 1 day is equal to 24 multiply 1 hour. So now we have to substitute the 60 minutes in the place of 1 hour. 24 multiply 60 minutes. So 24 multiply 60 minutes will be 1440 minutes. So 1 day is equal to 1440 minutes. So the formula for converting days into minutes is 1 day is equal to 1440 minutes. For example, we can take days. So 2 days can be written as 2 multiply 1 day. So now we have to substitute 1440 minutes in the place of 1 day. So 2 multiply 1440 minutes. So now we have to multiply 2 with 1440 minutes. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. So 2880 minutes. So when we multiply 2 with 1440 minutes, our answer will be 2880 minutes. So 2 days is equal to 2880 minutes. Next we will see another method for doing this problem. For example, we can take 4 days. So 4 days can be written as 4 multiply 1 day. So 1 day will be 24 hours. So now we have to substitute this 24 hours in the place of 1 day. So 4 multiply 24 hours. So 4 multiply. So 24 hours can be written as 24 multiply 1 hour. So now we have to substitute the 60 minutes in the place of 1 hour. So 4 multiply 24 multiply 60 minutes. So 24 multiply 60 minutes will be 1440 minutes. So 4 multiply 1440 minutes. So now we have to multiply 4 with 1440 minutes. So 4 multiply 1440 minutes will be 5760 minutes. So 4 days is equal to 5760 minutes. Hope you friends all understood how to convert days into minutes. Okay friends, if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to Sowmi's channel and press the bell button so you can receive all my updated videos regularly. Bye friends, thank you.